In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Raket.ph account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we need to do is open up your web browser and go to Raket.ph and make sure to sign in with your account. As you can see, I'm signed in. Alright, so once you're here and you've signed in, on the top page here, it will say something along the lines your profile is 20% complete, might be 40, might be 10%. Click here to finish setting up your Raket ship to get your first sale. So go ahead and click on that click here button. Now from here, we need to go ahead and complete your profile. So this is going to verify your account pretty much. So we need to add a profile picture, add your short intro and bio, add one or more social links, and create one product or service page. So just go through this one by one. So click on add profile photo. So I'm going to go ahead and add a profile photo and then put in your first name, last name, about you. And if you want any cover photos, you can choose up to 5 of these. And you can search for a role here, country, region, headline, and then go ahead and click save changes and just simply go down that list. So just keep continuing down this list and that's going to verify your account.